When the lights are out, my heart is your home. When the stars are crashing, your heart is my own. And it goes on and on and on. Love goes on and on and on. Oh yeah. When the lights are out, my heart is
Precision, power, perfection. This is the 2026 BMW M3A, where luxury meets pure motorsport performance in a sleek four-door sedan. Built by BMW's legendary M division, the new M3 is a celebration of speed and control. It carries the aggressive look you expect, with wider fenders, massive air intakes, and the bold vertical kidney grille. Every inch of this car screams performance. Under the hood, you get a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 engine, producing up to 503 horsepower in the competition model. 0 to 60 in just 3.8 seconds. That's supercar or speed, a broken bar in a practical sedan. But the M3 isn't just about going fast. It's about how it handles. With adaptive M suspension, rear-wheel drive or optional xDrive all-wheel drive, and near-perfect 50 hours 50 minutes weight distribution, this machine hugs corners like it's glued to the road. Inside, it's a tech lover's dream. The curved dual-screen iDrive 8.5 system blends seamlessly into the dashboard. Voice control, wireless Apple CarPlay, and a customizable M digital cockpit make every drive smarter and sharper. And let's not forget the details: carbon fiber trims, M Sport seats with illuminated logos, and a growling exhaust note that sends chills down your spine. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising the city streets, the 2026 BMW M3 delivers unmatched driving excitement, in the body of a premium sports sedan. This isn't just a broken bar, it's an M. This is the ultimate driving machine.